Hey nail queen, so today we'll be jumping right into today's video. Very simple set. So I'm going in with my foils. I'm here actually choosing the foil that I want to apply onto the base of the nail. So I'm just choosing at random which one fits my aesthetic for today's video. I'll go in with my foil it gel, apply it to my nail, a very thin coat. I'll cure that for 60 seconds and then I'll go in and apply my foil onto these nails. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so, please do so, and also follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. Going on each of the nails, applying the foil. So what my thought process was when I was doing this design actually is that I was thinking that how would it look if it actually had the texture of snake behind it, and I was like, I should try. I should try. Even though if I'm not the first person to think about it or to even attempt it, I'll be the first person to attempt it on video and display. So I went in. Actually, it came out very well. I wasn't expecting it to come out well. I didn't expect it to come out, for me to be liking it at the first time, because I'm very peculiar and very particular. And I'm very sensitive about my work. So if it does not come out the way that I want it to do, I would have not have posted this video. So if you're seeing this video, you already know that it came out well and I've posted it. So the next step I'm going to take is to go in with my blooming gel, applying a moderate amount of bloom to the nail, after which I will then go in with my color. It's a very dark color. I have had this color for almost 2 years now. Yeah, it's not pretty bad because I've really need to get some nail polishes, jet nail polishes, because the hand surface is just not cutting it for me. So I'll do this, allow it to spread. And the one thing that I found about this actually color here is that I felt like because it was dark, it was not going to give me any opaqueness or any translucentness, if that makes any sense, or if it's even that word. At the end of this portion, you will see what I'm talking about. It gave a little illusion on the nail that I really do like. So I'll cure it for 60 seconds and then I will go over the nail with a top coat, just to ensure that I seal everything under, in the case that I decided that this don't look too right. It don't move. I don't know where my thought process was just a while ago. That's kind of crazy though. I felt like I was talking rubbish, but in fact I think I was. But anyways, I hope you guys understand. So now I'm going in with nude peach at the cuticle area, doing this in 2 beads. This part was very seamless and very easy. I actually did this in a matter of 4 minutes. Very impressive. So I'll do this on each of the nails. Very simple design, as I said, nothing to it. Simple. Have a status like, okay, my nails are simple but it's effective. I try to do nails that are extra but effective. Okay, alright. So I apply the nude peach onto the cuticle areas, after which I will encapsulate with clear. Then I will file. You already know how I do. Buff the nails, go and wash my hands, and then I'll come in with the final design. After that final design, then we'll go in with some top coat, cure it, after which we're going with our cuticle oil, and then we'll show you guys what we're working with. Such a bomb set. My thought process was that's why I said sometimes when I think about these designs, I need to do them right away, and I actually have a nail design in mind right now that I need to go and execute before it drop out of my memory and I don't have a clue of what I was thinking. And I actually came up with this design actually last night while I was editing this video. And to be fair, I have 1,001 videos on my phone here, but I feel like they're not matching up to my expectations. But we don't know yet if I'm going to post them because they're really good looking nails. Yeah, they're really good looking nails. So yeah.
No woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Honestly, as nail technicians, nail professions, we have a bit of every nail career path within our, line of work, because if the nail has fungus, if we have to draw on the nails, if we have to create something from something, if we have to take a household item to create something, we can let it happen. So actually with this color here, I don't have any gold. I had a nail, I had an eyeshadow palette, and I felt like, okay, all right, I'm not using this palette, let me make use of this palette with doing, incorporating it in my nail design and such. And I went in, mixed the gold with the top coat, and it gave me life. I mean, I knew about this trick and this tip, but I never followed through, or it was never within my space. Whenever I'm designing nails, it was never there. So I thought about it. I was like, okay, all right, I want this to work. So I made it work, and it looked so good. So we as nail technicians, nail professions, we can take anything within our space and make it work for us. So don't be limited because I don't have XY, I can't complete the task. You have to make it work. Then again, eyeshadows are, created from pigment powder, so we can get away with that, right? So, but you're still experimenting, seeing if it works for you. So don't feel limited, guys. So the next step we will do is to cure, after which we're going with our top coat. Cure that for 60 seconds also, and then we will oil the cuticles. The nails were so bomb, so bomb. Check me out on Instagram if you want to see the final pictures. Also follow me on TikTok. I'll be posting a small clip of this nail design here, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you have not already done so. Please go ahead and do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
My love, my love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming.